Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Tropical paradise and enchanted garden aptly describes the grounds of this two-story, split-level, four-bedroom, three-bathroom, well-located executive St. Anne residence in Priory. It is within easy reach of the highway, Ocharias, and St. Anne's Bay. The land area of this house is 28,286 square feet. It has fabulous royal palms, gorgeous flora, flourishing fruit trees of almost every variety. A vacant adjoining half-acre lot is also for sale, and a package deal can be arranged. We will also show details in this video. Other features of this house includes ceramic tiling, security system, garden area, satellite dish, water tank, water heater, grilled, fully fenced, easy access to amenities, family oriented, golf course nearby, private setting, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, level lot, and pets are allowed. The asking price of this property is Jamaican 52.5 million or US $339,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and let's know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.